For your task this week, I would like you to go to this website, musiclab.chromeexperiments.com/Kandinsky. So you can click on this link and it will take you to this page. And when you get there, I would like you to draw me a picture. Now you can use straight lines going crossways, or you can draw a straight line going up, or you can draw squiggly lines, you can draw a circle or a triangle, anywhere on the page. And when you do that, you'll get a sound. If you press the play button, it will start playing your music. And if you click on this button here, it will change the sounds between different instruments. If you're using a tablet, what you have to do is move your finger over the screen to make the shape. If you're on a computer or laptop, you need to click on the screen and hold it down and then let go when you've got to where you want to finish your shape. Once you've got a couple of shapes on the board, you can press play and see what they sound like. And then you can keep adding more shapes. And as you do so, the music will change. What I'd like you to do is draw me a picture using lines, triangles and circles, and then get your mummy or daddy to help you take a picture of it, and so you can send it to the class on the class teams. So if I start Kandinsky, what I can do, I can draw my line. I can do a line like this. I can do lines like this. I can do a triangle. And you notice it's a different colour. It's a different colour. This one's a drum kit. But if you don't do it all the way, you don't get the drum kit, you just get another guitar. And if I do a circle, I get a voice. And if I press play, now I can keep adding shapes in. And the more you add in, it will change the sound. Now if I press on this one, I get different instruments. And then once you've got your picture, what I'd like you to do is just take a picture of it, and then we can post it to the class group. Okay, I hope you enjoy using Kandinsky, and I look forward to seeing your shapes.